Review of Havells India Limited, a Noida-based company started in 1958 by Kimat Rai Gupta, recently passed away, an enterprising visionary. He started this business with just 10,000 rupees investment in Old Delhi. 60 plus year old company today, company that is in the FMEG, fast moving electrical goods business, and has an extremely strong global presence. Let's look at the numbers. It was fantastic numbers from Havells this quarter. Price rank at 91.5. Stocks that are at 80 and above on the ranking will rock in the market, giving loads of profits to their investors. Havells qualifies in that. It was a rank qualifier. Earnings rank is also above 80, 81.6. What this means is about 20% of companies among the 660 that we track are having better profit growth than Havells. While that said, it's about 20% of companies that always, which forms the top quartile, gives superb returns. When we plot the price rank graph along with closing price of Havells, 6 months back, Havells stock price was at 583. Today, when we did this PPT, stock was at 1122. It's also crossed 1150 now. Ranking, which was at 49.5, had a steady increase along with the price. And this kind of steady increase happens only if the stock has consistent performance. This stock had that in the last 6 months. Significant upside, and it was steady. Slowly it climbed up to 91.5. It's in a marathon, it finished first, breaking the ribbons. That's what Havells is for the investors today in the market. Coming to the EBITDA growth, after a small decline in 2019 financial year, March was a big hit also. June 20 results were not so good. September peaked. December continues to maintain that. EBITDA growth on quarterly is 87.84% higher compared to the previous year same quarter. That is, in December 2019, if Havells had made 100 rupees profit, in 2020 December, Havells profit is 187.84. Such kind of businesses are very, very rare to find, and they will rock in the market. Coming to trailing 12 months EBITDA growth, again, Havells is at 20.53. A company that is growing at 20%, it's like 3 or 4 times the bank FD rates. So we can assume what will be the returns that these stocks will give. Peer group comparison, Havells ranks the best among the 3 peer groups in the market, listed companies in the market. Coming to the business growth, it's like a jump on a cushion. Sales and profits were sliding down, margins were kind of taking a beating. September quarter, like June was a bottom, after that bounce back was severe. Significant upside on both sales and profit growth. Sales, in fact, profit is growing faster than sales. That is another beauty. Margins are increasing. So with this pace, if sales picks up even more momentum, this company is going to give fantastic returns to its investors. With all this superb performance, why have investors been so confused? FII sold the stock, stayed put for a very long time, and started accumulating after September. Probably after September is what results started showing signs. Before that itself, stock started moving up. Mutual funds, which were average buyers, started selling after September. That was another panic move, which shouldn't have happened. Mutual funds should have held to this stock. Retail somehow are shying away from the stock, while the stock is being giving fantastic returns in the last 6-7 months time. On the monthly charts, stock is entered into a strong bullish trend. Very high strength this trend is having on the stock's move. During early 2020, stock had a small downside, and from there it just like how its profit and sales bounced back in September 2020. During March 2020, stock price also bounced back. post-COVID turnaround stock this was. Trend reversal that came in early June 2020 has made great strides. 100% gain so far from the trend reversal trade. The trend reversal is marked on the weekly chart. From there, wherever the price is now, is made 100% returns, and the stock has even more strength to continue further. Buying levels for this week is 835, 940. Stock is good to buy only at that levels. At higher levels, it's risky. Chances are it can turn down and come to buy level, and afterwards it can go up. So this stock can be a favorite in anybody's portfolio. Such good qualities the stock is having. Coming to the company's numbers, 70,000 crores market cap company. PE of the stock is 76, sector is 73, so fairly priced. 37 analysts have been tracking this stock. Only 13 of them have given a buy, and their target is 1,400. Current stock price is 1,180 levels. So about 220 rupees gain on a 1,180 rupees stock. Looks like another 20% is available. Performance against the NSE 500 index. NSE 500, if it is about 19% returns, stock is given 87% in the last 1 year. 3 months, again, 2.5 times than what NSE 500 gave. Coming to 1 month returns, stock has made 4 times returns than what NSE 500 has given. So obviously we should have this kind of stocks in our portfolio to have greater alpha creation and help our investment account have a big wealth creation. All the views and ideas we shared our thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Do your due diligence, get to know the risks, and then only decide to buy the stock. Thank you.